Even though sharks are our first love, we are passionate about the environment as a whole. Our responsible and ethical efforts have been acknowledged and rewarded, but for us, awards are not where the importance lies. For us, it is what you do every single day that matters. In 2007, White Shark Projects initiated a recycling drive in the Masikani township of Gansbaai. Numerous educational talks were held at the local schools to explain all about recycling, what it is and why we should do it. And we didn't just visit a school once, we kept going back to ensure that the seeds we've sown were watered and fertilized. Every Tuesday, children come to the recycle swap shop with all the recyclable litter they've collected. They are allocated a certain amount of points depending on what kind and the quantity of the recyclables they've handed in. These points can then be spent in the recycle swap shop. The shop is stocked with school stationery and supplies, second-hand clothing, basic needs goods such as soap, toilet paper and blankets, and a little bit of fun stuff too, like bling for their hair and small toys. As they await their turn to enter the swap shop, each child is given a cup of nutritious vegetable soup. White Shark Projects has an open line of communication with the schools in Masikani to ensure that the swap shop is stocked with the local supplies the children may need. Most of the stock in the shop is bought and supplied by White Shark Projects. We strongly encourage adults not to accompany the children to the recycle swap shop, as we want the children to experience the joy of receiving a reward for the work which they have done, and we don't want them to learn to expect handouts. We want to instill in them a sense of pride in their achievement, as well as pride in their surroundings. We are pleased to report that now, 9 years later, the recycle swap shop is growing stronger and more popular year on year. Last year, an astonishing 14,500 kilograms of recyclables were collected by just over 6,000 children. That is nearly 15 tons of plastic, which inevitably would have blown into the ocean, where the damage it causes to marine life is immeasurable. So with this simple yet effective community project, White Shark Projects proves that waste is everybody's responsibility, and that every single one of us, regardless of our age or socio-economic status, has the ability to make an ecological difference.